am currently giving you tips and tricks, no real repercussions. I love this product because it's all very soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andree. If you haven't been here before, I'm a hairstylist, a business owner, amongst other things, and I am currently giving you tips and tricks, my thoughts, and all of that jimmy jazz. So, hi! My video today is about 3 top lotions that I know you guys have never tried, but they are my favourite foam wrap lotions that I've been using for years and years and years. Some newer than others, some not, but you get the drift. So here we go. Now again, with all my videos, I like to mention that these products have been working for me for years. I've been using them on a plethora of clients every day, day in, day out. And that is how I came to these conclusions. So if you have any thoughts, please leave them below. I love reading your comments. I love to see you guys interact with me in these videos because they take time. So let's get into the video. Number 1 is Bay. We know she is Bay because I've been riding with her. So I want to say for about 4+ years. I'm just going to call it 4+ years because I really cannot remember how long I've been using this product for. But it's the Firm Style Wrapping Lotion. I never get the title right, but I will slot images somewhere on the screen so that you guys know what I'm talking about. This product is babes, okay? I have been using it for a long time. What I love about the product is lightweight. It does what it says it's going to do. It holds your style without letting it feel crunchy and hard and none of that. New school. Love it. And what I also really like about it, even if you overuse the product, and I mean really overuse it, you have a heavy hand, and you've done too many pumps, you've gone 7 pumps instead of the normal 2 or 3, there are no real repercussions. Your hair will still feel really lovely. The only thing is, it's going to take longer to dry. Where do you find that? Like, what product actually does that? There's always repercussions with products, always. If you use too much, it's either greasy, or it's this, or it's that, or it's flaky. Nothing happens with this product. And I have tried. I've actually done that test on myself more than once just to see if that theory works, and it does. So definitely one of my favorites, just because there's no real going wrong with it. It works really well on my scalp. We all know, I've been saying for years that my scalp runs wild, doesn't it flares up from time to time, especially when there's a seasonal change, i.e. spring to summer, summer to like autumn. There's always like a little bit of a flare up, especially like at this time we're all at home. My scalp flares up a lot during these times, and it just works well with my hair. It just complements everything. I don't have to do everything with my hair. It's just perfect. I love it. The second product that I want to talk about is actually a new bae. Okay, she's new in town. I want to say that I've been using her for about 1.5 years, which is a baby for me, because if you guys know, probably you don't, but you'll get to know, I have been using the same products for years, like years. I do not stray away from products. Nah, it's not me. Once I find a product and it works for me, I might take out one, replace it with another, but I don't play that switch game. I mean, I'm 2021 trying to change my ways, but I was introduced to this product, and it wasn't even an introduction. I just have always heard about it, and I thought, let me try the Paul Mitchell foaming pomade. And I'm saying pomade because I'm French. Don't correct me. The foaming pomade is lush. I love this product because it's a little bit on the heavier side, but it's almost like exactly what is needed within the foaming world per se, because there's no real product that gives you that itsy bits of weight that you're looking for, and that's exactly what this product does. It just brings a little bit of weight to the product. I like to combine it with the Starlight Foam Wrap Lotion by Avalon. I love it combined with that, and I like to use it just a teensy bitsy, like a tiny amount of it, enough to cover the hair, and depending on how thick the hair is, I kind of measure it out. as I go along. But I love to use that product because I feel like it brings weight, it gives shine, and you don't actually need too many products after the fact because it is quite a heavy product, and you have to be careful because if you use too much then it can be super greasy. If you have hair that is quite lightweight, I recommend really starting out with a tiny amount and just building up from there if you need to. If your hair is super thick, this product is a friend because it just will work magic. If you have super dry hair, I feel like that works with it too. But again, I find it works really well as a complementary product, but also by itself, I just feel like you just need to really pull back on how much of the product that you use. Number 3 is actually a product that you guys brought me on to. It's Nairobi. Now, this is hard to find. Like, you need binoculars, you need to really look for her. The best place to find her in the UK is Amazon. I jumped on it as soon as you guys mentioned it to me, but it's just super hard to find. And I'm pretty sure that I'm paying a lot more than I actually need to for the product. I find that it works super well with the hair. Again, it's a product that you don't necessarily need a lot for, but the way it just moves the hair where you want it to, I love it. And it has a little bit more of a hold than the firm Style Wrap Lotion. I feel like the hold is a bit more on the firmer side, but again, it's still very soft. The only negative I would say with this product is that, again, you don't want to use a lot because if you do, it kind of feels a little bit clammy. So I think 2 to 3 pumps go a super long way, especially if you want to have sort of that lightweight finish to your hair and you don't want it to look too hard. 2 to 3 pumps go a long way. And that's it. Those are my top 3 foaming wrap lotions. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what yours are. Write in the comments. Let me know if I'm missing a product because you know what, I'm in the dark. I'm starting to do reviews again because I really enjoyed them. So I'm bringing them back to the channel because I just feel like we need to bring other things here. It's time. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.